This Kaizen Realty LLC property video is presented by Aycock. Since 2013, owner spent over $75,000 remodeling this property. He added a second 2-car garage with parking, driveway, basketball court, granite countertops and laundry, kit, roof, lighting, stainless steel appliances, security doors, window bars, electric gate to backyard to garage, new garage door, laminate flooring, no carpet, interior paint, new exterior paint, security gate of front door, stone and kit and den, backsplash, small screen porch, some security cameras, irrigation system and flower beds, new HVAC. For more information, review the details below or contact Aycock at 901-221-40.